Assalamu alaikum students. Hope that you all are fine and in the best state of health and iman. Today, inshallah, we will learn about the nervous system. So, what is nervous system? Now, what happens when you see a mosquito sitting on your hand? You suddenly shake your hand. And what happens when you eat an orange? Why do you feel it tangy? And how do you breathe automatically? So all of these things happen due to a network of nerves, which is nervous system. And this nervous system consists of a brain, a spinal cord and nerves. Now these large network of nerves are spread throughout our body. So now let us discuss the function of different part of our nervous system. So first of all, the human brain is the messaging center of our body and it is protected by the skull. The main part of our brain are cerebrum, which is further divided into four main portions: cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So the cerebrum has four portions and each area controls different part of our body. The back area controls the vision, while the other areas control the functions like movement, speech, emotions, touch and memory. Now the cerebellum below the cerebrum coordinates voluntary movement like balance, movement and speed. It also controls the motor function and muscular activities of our body. Now, below the cerebrum and in front of cerebellum lies a stem-shaped structure which is called the medulla oblongata. And this medulla oblongata connects the brain to the spinal cord. It transmits these impulses to the brain and body to and forth, and the medulla oblongata is the charge to all the automatic function of our body, such as respiration, digestion and blood circulation. Now the question is what the nerve cells are called. So the nerve cells are called as neurons, and these neurons transmit nerve impulses. A brain has more than 10 billion nerve impulses. When you see a mosquito sitting on a hand, neurons are stimulated by the sensation and an impulse is generated. The length of a neuron and transfer the other neuron with the help of a chemical called as neurotransmitter. This sequence is repeated with thousands of neurons to transmit the information to the brain, and the brain proceed the information and send it back to the body. This message from the brain is the body response to the mosquito, and your response is that you shake your hand very quickly. Now there are three types of neurons. Sensory neurons. So the sensory neurons are responsible for the physical stimuli such as light, temperature or touch. They carry the information from sense organ to the nervous system, and now the brain controls the muscles through the motor neurons. Finally, mixed neurons. These nerves function as both sensory and motor nerves because they carry the information from the brain to the body as well as from body to the brain. They also carry the impulses or nerves. Okay, I hope that you have a good knowledge of understanding of what nervous system actually is. Jazakumullahu khairan. Allah Hafiz.